Winco food. 60 large eggs. I was yesterday at Winco, which is Wednesday the 5th, and I buy 60 large eggs. That's what I thought. These are the eggs. This is how much egg I have left, and I went to buy 60 large eggs. This is not the first time that happens to me. This is the third or fourth time that I thought I buy 60 large eggs. This one is a large egg, but this one is small egg. They said they sell large, but they're giving small and large eggs. I don't know if you see the difference. Small and large. The whole tray is the same. One is large, one is small, and the whole tray is the same. This is a fraud to me because I'm paying for a large tray, not for a small one, and the store is responsible to sell what they're saying, even though if they say they have contract with whatever company they have to be sure that what they are selling is what it is. There's no excuse that if they say they don't pack it, they don't do it there, but they have to make sure that from where they are bringing the supplies, whatever they're selling is correct, because if you're selling something, you should sell the right thing. The whole tray is the same. There's a small eggs and there's a large egg, and to the consumers it's a fraud. We're paying for something we are not getting. I'm gonna check the second tray and see if it's the same. Okay, let's see if the second tray. This is a large egg to me, but this one is a small egg to me. Right there I see a big difference. And like I said, this is not the first time this happened to me. This is like the third or fourth time. But at first I did not want to believe it. But this time I said I'm gonna verify that what I've been thinking is true. And it is true. This is a large, this is a small. And the whole tray is the same thing. This is a small to me, and this is like a medium. This is just like a combo, small, medium, large, but there's more medium, small than large eggs. Probably in the second tray there's a little bit more large, but there's also small eggs. This is a small, this is a large. And this is a fraud, like I said, because they are not giving it to me free. I'm paying for it, and I thought I was paying for a large. If I wanted a small, I can buy a small tray and a size small, but I thought I was buying a large, like I said right there. That's why I picked the large, because I wanted a large. If I wanted a small or a regular size, I will pick the other one, but I wanted a large, and I'm not receiving what I'm paying for what I'm paying. One more time, this is Winco, and I was there yesterday, and I pay for something I'm not getting, and I'm going to return this because to me this is a rob to the consumers. Regardless if they pack it in the store or not, they have to be sure that from the company that they are bringing the supplies, there's somebody who supervises everything before they put it in the store to be sold to the consumers.